Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, today I want to tell you about my presentation about information technology and social media on Industrial Revolution 4.0. This video method aims to complete English for computer assessment. Before I show my slide, I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Husnul Solihuddin. You can call me Husnul. I am fifth semester at Universitas Mercu Buana. I studied on computer science. Basically I learned about algorithm and database. Okay. Social media is now increasingly becoming a central part of life. Even more during the pandemic, internet usage is increasing rapidly, which also increases the use of social media. The increasingly important role makes social media evolve faster. The evolution of the form of social media is very fast. If you remember carefully, social media has not existed in the last 2 decades, but now suddenly social media has changed the way people interact. Interaction that occurs through social media is no longer one way like conventional publication media. Each party can now carry out two-way interaction without hits. As a result, everyone can be more critical in any information provided. Behavior like that uniquely has also changed the way marketing works. People who interact a lot social media become a container for large traffic flow. Based on social media usage in Indonesia, social media users have reached 59% or around 86 million users in 2020. See how big the traffic potential is on social media in Indonesia. What is your opportunity? The magnitude of this potential then tend to convince business to continue to use social media as a marketing channel. With the presence of a business social media provider also get benefit and the ability to continue to innovate and develop social media, so that it continue to be relevant business need. Obviously, this is a mutually beneficial relationship. But what I want to discuss this time, what kind of innovation are made by social media, so that relevance continue to occur. Well, in the article, I will show you some the innovation are the starting to becoming the new standard. The following are social media development are starting to develop. First, social media is increasingly making it easier for business users to make buying and selling transactions. The buying and selling transaction features on social media are getting simple and easier to use. The example Facebook is a social media that started the last few years. It was long before other social media followed suit. And the second, social media have artificial intelligence, make it easier for social media audience to get a personal experience. Artificial intelligence is increasingly being used in social media, and the results are astonishing. TikTok as a social media that has benefited greatly from the growth adoption of artificial intelligence of social media. Thanks to TikTok, artificial intelligence, the growth has increasing tremendously a short period of time. And the last it platform are required to increasingly respect for privacy and social value. For the example, when the risk about TikTok backdoor doesn't move you, maybe you need to know about dozens of the world large company against Facebook. And then, how about the benefit of social media? The benefit of social media is a lot, like get the real-time information. What is real-time information? There is sharing the last content is very easy nowadays because now there are so many social media applications that are made to help process of finding various source of information in every area of life, like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and the other. The information comes from various regions around the world. And the second, you can able to communication in real time. Do you often spend of having conversation with friend, relative, and other using social media platform? If true, then a conversation or so-called chat is a form of conversation what can be done in real time directly. The main benefit of social media is to cut the distance and time in conversation information from one party to another. Thus, the information can be conversed directly even though in different regions and far apart. The third is increased brand awareness. When you appear of social media, you can more easily connect with customer. On the other hand, customer can connect more easily with the exercise of social media can also increase customer loyalty to the brand you have. Then social media can increase traffic and search ranking. The more active and diligent you are to update the less information and content on social networking sites. It will give the some effect to your website, namely increasing visitor traffic. If you promote an article or blog website talk in social media, the greater the visitor will read your blog from the link you have sent. So, make sure to always insert and add the sharing feature on the website article. And the last benefit of social media is to build relationship quickly and widely. The more people you know about your product, the higher the traffic you can get. Building relationship is very important because your business will be easy and fast to grow because there is an extensive network as well as the right promotional media according to the internet target market. Okay, there is my presentation. Before I close my presentation, I have quote for you. This quote from Lyndon B. Johnson. If future generations are to remember us more with gratitude than sorrow, we must achieve more than just the miracle of technology. We must also leave them a glimpse of the world as it was created, not just as it looked when you got trapped with it. Okay, I think enough for me and see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.